You come here about supper time, we'll have to.
Exactly.
Who's your favorite aunt, Jared?
And Helen.
No, now Grandma told you that. You tell the truth.
And Helen.
Who's your great favorite grandpa? Me?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite grandma? I should never said that.
Fickle.
Yes, he's as fickle as can be.
Here it is. Did you get it?
Well, Mom looks like she's wired and ready to go.
Did you read the paper after election?
I haven't read the paper for about... Here, wait a minute. That's my... Here. I got boogers on those. You can have those. I got a booger off my nose and wiped it on there.
That George Wills, you know what he said? He's a very, very conservative man. But he's a commentator, news commentator. He
One of these
says,
crazy things.
he says, the Republican Party's been put on notice. And says you can tell by the way the Republican Party came out and says they want to help kids get scholarships and colleges, and we want to do this and everything that Bill Clinton asked for.
Good one, live with those two holes.
And he says they're in trouble there, and says all these young conservative, they're mad because they come right out and done that.
Did you eat